playing Minecraft. Now, let's go. Today, I will learn you how to make a creeper exploder. And here too. Very many creeper. And this one I deleted. Okay, now today we're making this shower. This. Okay, now let's start. Where should we put the shower? Okay, here. Now, okay, right. This one, 2, 3. By the way, you need these things to make a shower. These things. By the way, the block, anything, any block you want, that block. Okay. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and then this one, this one, this one, this one. But this one, you need to put it there, and then this one, and then this one. Okay. Then this, make a wall, and then I'm in here. Yeah, that's right. Then put this there. Sarah. There. Now, oh, did you hear that voice, guys? That's my baby brother's voice. So, now, you need a piston. Your very own piston. Wait, put this one here. Then I think I had a plan now to hide the piston. The one I mean. There. Put that there. Not piston. This one, 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 this one. Oh, wrong. This one, and then put the water bucket here. There. And then wait. Yeah, just right. Okay. Then next, put this there to hide the water. It's there. Then the next step is need this, and then this one, and then this one. Then the next one is you should put a lever here. Go open and close the why the showers? Oh, great. I did it wrong. Wow, I did it wrong. I should put this one. Wrong. I'm sorry, guys. I did it wrong. There. And there. This one should be another up. There. That's the right one. Put the water. Sorry guys, I did it wrong. There, put the water here. There. Then, like I just said, there, put that here to hide the water. Then still like this, and then this, then this. Then put there. Wait. Put this one to here. And then, the lever is connected to the piston. So you can, there. You can close the shower and off the shower. There. Okay. That's... Wait, what's that? Did you see that? Oh, it's the portal. Okay, guys. So, that's how you make a shower. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe this video. So, see you from the next video. Bye!